Love houseplants but worried about their care while traveling? Don't let a busy lifestyle stop you from enjoying greenery at home. Some resilient houseplants thrive on minimal attention, tolerate low light, and require infrequent watering. These hardy, easy-care plants ensure your home stays vibrant and green even when you are away. Let's explore it quickly. Snake plant, Sansevieria. The snake plant is an ideal houseplant for regular travelers due to its remarkable resilience. It thrives in low to bright indirect light and can survive weeks without watering, as its thick, upright leaves store moisture. It prefers to dry out completely between waterings, making it perfect for those with irregular schedules. The plant is highly adaptable, tolerates neglect, and purifies indoor air by removing toxins like formaldehyde. Its minimal care needs and ability to endure various conditions make it a reliable, stylish addition to any space, ensuring your home remains green even when you are away. ZZ plant, Zamioculcas zamifolia. The ZZ plant is perfect for frequent travelers due to its hardiness and low maintenance needs. It thrives in low to bright indirect light and stores water in its thick rhizomes, allowing it to go weeks without watering. The ZZ plant is drought-tolerant and resists pests, making it highly resilient. It prefers to dry out completely between waterings and can handle neglect without losing its vibrant, glossy green leaves. This plant not only adds elegance to your space but also improves indoor air quality, making it an excellent choice for maintaining greenery with minimal effort while you are away. Pothos, Epipremnum aureum. Pothos is a perfect choice for travelers due to its hardiness and adaptability. This fast-growing vine thrives in various lighting conditions, from low to bright indirect light, and can survive with infrequent watering. It tolerates neglect, bouncing back quickly after dry spells, and is easy to propagate, allowing you to create new plants effortlessly. Its trailing, heart-shaped leaves add a lush, decorative touch to any space. Additionally, pothos purifies indoor air, removing toxins like benzene and formaldehyde. With minimal care requirements, pothos remains healthy and vibrant, making it an excellent companion for those frequently away from home. Spider plant, Chlorophytum camosum. The spider plant is an excellent low-maintenance houseplant for frequent travelers. It thrives in a variety of light conditions, from low to bright indirect light, and is forgiving when it comes to watering, only needing moisture every 1 to 2 weeks. Known for its air-purifying qualities, it removes toxins like carbon monoxide and formaldehyde. Its arching green and white striped leaves make it visually appealing, and it produces small spiderets or baby plants, which can be propagated easily. Resilient and adaptable, the spider plant bounces back from neglect, ensuring a lively, fresh look even when you are away. Cast iron plant, Aspidistra elacia. The cast iron plant is a top pick for frequent travelers due to its incredible resilience. True to its name, it thrives on neglect and can handle low light, fluctuating temperatures, and irregular watering. With its deep green, glossy leaves, it adds an elegant touch to any indoor space. The cast iron plant only needs watering every 2 to 3 weeks and tolerates dry spells without issue. It's also pest-resistant and highly durable, making it perfect for those who don't have time for constant care. This tough plant ensures your home stays green and vibrant even during long absences. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a fantastic choice for frequent travelers due to its low-maintenance nature and hardiness. This succulent thrives in bright, indirect light but can adapt to lower light conditions. It stores water in its thick, fleshy leaves, allowing it to survive weeks without watering. Aloe vera prefers dry soil, making it perfect for irregular care routines. Beyond its resilience, it offers soothing gel for burns and skin irritations, adding functionality to its aesthetic appeal. With minimal effort, this plant stays healthy and vibrant, making it an excellent companion for those who are often away from home. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum. The peace lily is a forgiving and resilient plant, making it ideal for frequent travelers. It thrives in low to medium indirect light and only needs watering about once a week or when the soil feels dry. Even if it wilts due to neglect, it quickly perks up after watering. The peace lily is also a natural air purifier, removing toxins like benzene and formaldehyde. Its glossy green leaves and elegant white blooms add beauty to any space with minimal effort. This hardy plant ensures your home remains lively and fresh even during extended absences. Dracena. Dracena is also an excellent choice for frequent travelers due to its hardy, low-maintenance nature. It thrives in low to bright indirect light and requires watering only every 2 to 3 weeks, preferring its soil to dry out between waterings. With its tall, elegant growth and striking foliage, ranging from solid green to variegated patterns, Dracena adds a modern, tropical feel to any space. This plant is also a natural air purifier, removing toxins like formaldehyde and benzene from the air. Its adaptability and drought tolerance make it a reliable, stylish option for those with busy schedules or frequent absences. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica. The rubber plant is an excellent choice for frequent travelers due to its durability and low maintenance needs. It thrives in bright, indirect light but can tolerate lower light conditions. The plant prefers to dry out slightly between waterings, typically needing moisture every 1 to 2 weeks. Its thick, glossy leaves store water, making it drought tolerant and forgiving if you forget to water. The rubber plant also purifies the air, removing toxins like formaldehyde, adding a functional benefit to its striking appearance. With minimal care, it grows beautifully, making it a reliable and stylish companion for busy or traveling plant lovers. Chinese evergreen, Aglaonema. Aglaonema is a resilient and low-maintenance houseplant, perfect for frequent travelers. It thrives in low to moderate light conditions, making it ideal for almost any indoor space. This plant only requires watering when the top inch of soil feels dry, which is typically every 1 to 2 weeks. Aglaonema's striking, patterned leaves in shades of green, silver, or red add an exotic and decorative touch to your home. It's also an excellent air purifier, improving indoor air quality while needing minimal care. Its ability to adapt to various conditions makes it a reliable, beautiful companion for busy lifestyles. Succulents and cacti. These are perfect for frequent travelers due to their remarkable ability to store water and thrive on neglect. These hardy plants require minimal care, needing watering only every 2 to 4 weeks, depending on the species and environmental conditions. They prefer bright, indirect sunlight and well-draining soil to prevent overwatering issues. Their diverse shapes, sizes, and colors make them versatile decorative options for any space. Succulents like Echeveria or jade plants and cacti like golden barrel or bunny ear are excellent choices. With their low maintenance and drought tolerance, succulents and cacti remain vibrant and healthy even during extended absences.